Session 13. Functions. Lambda functions. There are 4 different types of functions. In our last session, we have discussed built-in functions. Today we will discuss lambda functions. Lambda or anonymous function. Lambda functions are mostly used for creating small one-time anonymous functions. Lambda functions are mainly used in combination with the functions like filter, map and reduce. Syntax. First you write the keyword lambda followed by space, then arguments, colon, expression. Look at the example. AVG is equal to, average is equal to lambda x comma y colon x plus y divided by 2. So when we compare the syntax to the example, x comma y are the arguments and x plus y divided by 2 is the expression. Now let us see how we can use this function. So I have taken 2 variables, a and b. A is 12 and b is 18. Print ABG A comma B. So you see that I have used the same name as in the definition of the function. ABG bracket A comma B. Here A comma B are the actual arguments and these values are now given to x comma y. So x takes the value 12 and y takes the value 18 and it will calculate 12 plus 18 divided by 2 which gives the answer 15. So you can see the output, it is 15. So the lambda function, you see the definition, it is in one line. So that is why it is called as a lambda or anonymous function. Another example, list ABG is equal to lambda x colon sum of x divided by len of x. So when we compare with the syntax, x is the argument and sum of x divided by len of x is the expression. So let us see how we can use this function. I have taken a list L with elements 4, 12, 17, 3 and 8. Print list AVG of L. So here L is the actual argument. So L is substituted to x and calculates sum of x divided by len of x. So x is actually L. So you get the sum of the elements of L which is 44 divided by len of x which is the length of x, nothing but length of L because L contains 5 elements. So 44 divided by 5 which is equal to 8.8. So you get the output as 8.8.